In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart commits with Bitbucket and Jira. Smart commits are a simple way to update Jira directly from your commit messages in Bitbucket. This can save time, reduce context switching, and help keep your development work connected to the right issue automatically. The key is making sure Bitbucket and Jira are linked properly, and then formatting your commit message correctly. To get started, log into Jira. Once you're inside Jira, go to Settings, then Products, and select DBCS accounts. This is where you connect source control platforms like Bitbucket. From there, connect your Bitbucket account, authorize the connection, and link the repositories you want Jira to track. This setup is important because smart commits will only work when Jira can see activity from your Bitbucket repository. If you manage multiple repositories, make sure the correct one is included before moving on. Next, open your Jira project and either create a new issue or open an existing one. You'll need the issue key, which is the short identifier attached to the ticket, something like PROJ123. Copy that issue key because it needs to appear in your commit message exactly as shown in Jira. If the key is missing or typed incorrectly, Jira won't know which issue to update. Now switch over to Bitbucket and open your code repository. Make the code changes you need, then prepare your commit. This is the most important part of the workflow. Your commit message should include both the Jira issue key and a smart commit command. That tells Jira not only which issue is related to the commit, but also what action should be taken. For example, if you want to add a comment to the Jira issue from your commit, you can write a message like PROJ1223, comment fix the issue. When Jira processes that commit, it will connect the commit to the issue and add the comment automatically. Be careful with formatting here, because smart commit commands rely on the message structure being correct. Once your commit message is ready, push your changes to Bitbucket. After the push is complete, give Jira a moment to detect the commit and process the smart commit command. This may not always happen instantly, so a short delay is normal. Finally, go back to the linked Jira issue and review the result. Open the issue and look for the development section. Here, you can check the commit details, branch information, pull requests, and any comments or updates created through the smart commit. This is a great way to confirm that everything worked correctly and that your development activity is now fully connected to your Jira workflow.